Hi guys, welcome along to the next edition of the Extension Build series. In this episode we're going to be showing you these beautiful planters and the processes we went through to get them there. So stay watching and I'll see you on the other side. So it's a nice new day and it's not raining for a change, which is good. Hopefully the weather stays off because yesterday was pretty horrific, but you know, we're hardcore builders, so we're dedicated and we just stayed here through the rain to get the job done. Next on the agenda is to carry on with this sleeper across here. So what we need to do is carry the top on right the way across so this level runs nicely through where our LED strip is. That runs nice through there as well. So what we're going to do is basically prop up this side here. We're going to sleeper across the top, which will obviously continue the height of that, and then we need to cut then a piece to go underneath. So yeah, that's our next job. So we've got our bits stripped down and we've marked our parallel line on the floor. So now we need to band them together to make sure they don't flex. So what we're doing is using some lateral straps which we've cut down, and then they are going to be fixed onto the back, and then we'll also screw through to stop any twists. So Phil is now just drilling the holes. Because it's oak, it's really solid, so you don't want to just drive screws straight into it because you just end up shearing the screws off. Ah, hi Pete!
Hi John!
Yes!
See you, Pete.
Bye Pete.
Bye John. I'll do, won't it, John?
Yep, beautiful mate, beautiful.
So yeah, we're just going to drive a couple of screws through on the angle just to stop it hinging.
Cool. Work here is done. So what I'm doing here is just routing out these holes for the straps. So these straps, like you saw in the last bit, will go up the back of it and hold everything down to the floor. So this is a nice flush fit, but what I also need to allow for is the screw heads. So I've got two options. I can either route it deeper or I can try and pre-drill these, but these straps are pretty solid, so it's probably going to be easier just to take a couple more mil out just to allow for the screw head once that's in there. So I've routed out all the bits ready for the plates, so now we just need to get it in place so we can mark everything up. Okay, so they're all marked up. So you just move the timber and then we can get the straps back in place and get the holes drilled. So next up, all we're doing is getting the pieces cut and put into place. So it's another beautiful day in Leamington Spa, and now we're on to blackjacking. So if you don't know what blackjack is, it is this. It's basically a paintable, damp-proof membrane. You can put on many substrates and it basically stops any moisture penetrating through. So what we're gonna do is paint the inside of the sleepers, the underside of this, and then obviously against the wall. Because there's gonna be a lot of soil in here, what we don't want is any moisture, obviously, to rot these timbers. It will take a long time because this is oak and it's, you know, it's a hardwood, so it's gonna last for a long time. That's why we use oak for the planters. But obviously putting this layer of blackjack on there is just going to give it that extra bit of protection. And also against this wall, it is a cavity wall, so the chance of any damp actually going through onto the internal is pretty slim. But bout and braces will just cover it over there just to stop any moisture transfer through there as well. So we brought you whacker cam, digger cam, router cam, sander cam. Now it's time for hammer cam.
Oh. Well, as you can see, hammer cam don't work.
Cut. Hammer cam, take two. Beautiful. So the planters are nearly there. We've got them all fixed on, got them all sanded down nicely. We've put this nice chamfered edge on here, a larger edge than the outside. Bits under there for LED tracking, like we said before. So now the next stage is to get these oiled up. Oak naturally can be left outside anyway. It's a really good wood to be left outside and weathered. Ages really, really well. But what we're gonna do, because it's all been sanded down, is just give it a nice coat of oil, cedar oil. So it's gonna match in with the shed which is going up, which is gonna be made out of cedar, so it'll give it a slight tint and obviously also protect it. So let's crack on.
Artistic angles. Oh, that's a good shot.
Concentration phase. So our planters are in and they're all oiled up now and they are looking awesome. This is the finished product. And then we have some more over this side. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you did, you know what to do, give us a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification button, so every time we release a new video, you'll be notified. The next video in the extension build series will show you how we achieved the tiling. So it's the return of Greg the tiler. I know lots of you love him. I love Greg, obviously, he's great. Also, the pavers going down at the front. There's gonna be lots of exciting stuff in the next episode, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you want more content, head over to our LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Just search Build with A&E and you'll easily find us. Until next time, take care and stay safe. See you later.